ازيكم. Welcome to a new lesson with Sondos. What words do you know for free time activities in Egyptian Arabic? Let's get started. يلا بينا. Some people prefer things you can do it at home. Watching TV, reading or cooking. Watching TV بتفرج على التلفزيون. بتفرج على التلفزيون. بتفرج على التلفزيون. And see Egyptian they say على التلفزيون. Yes, we don't say على. The most of time you will hear people they will say على like بتفرج على التلفزيون. Okay? Reading القراية. القراية. We don't pronounce قاف in Egyptian like قا. We pronounce it like a. القراية. القراية. Cooking. الطبخ. الطبخ. Okay? And remember it's طا not تاء. طا. الطبخ. Okay. Other people like sports like playing football. So football or playing football is بلعب كورة. Football كرة القدم. But the most of the time people they don't say كرة القدم. They say بلعب كورة. Okay? Because كرة القدم very famous here in Egypt. People like it too much. So we don't need to say football كرة القدم. We only say كورة. Okay? But if you are going to say basketball here you have to say بحب ألعب كرة السلة. كورة is ball, السلة basketball. So see, if you said بحب ألعب كورة and you didn't say which كورة exactly, here we are going to understand that you are talking about football ball. Okay? But if you are talking about any other ball you would like to play it, here you have to say which exactly. Football ball. Which exactly basketball. So here you have to say كرة السلة. بلعب كرة السلة. Okay? Okay. Going swimming? We don't say going swimming. We say بلعب like playing swimming. So we say بلعب سباحة. بلعب سباحة. سباحة is swimming. Okay? Doing yoga? We don't also say doing yoga. We say playing yoga. So بلعب yoga. Okay? Doing boxing? Also we say بلعب box. Boxing is boxing if you say it like that way. So بلعب box. Okay? Of course many people prefer more social activities. For example, hanging out with friends. So hanging out with friends we say it with two ways actually. First one you could say أخرج مع أصحابي or actually بخرج مع أصحابي. Literally meaning is to go out with my friends. بخرج مع أصحابي or بقابل أصحابي. أقابل literally meaning is meeting. So بقابل أصحابي. Okay? Relaxing with my family. So بقعد مع عيلتي. Okay? بقعد مع عيلتي. Or maybe you like things more creative like taking photos. So here we say التصوير. Taking photos like أخذ صور literally. But we don't say it like this. We say it if you're talking about your hobbies or things you like it to do it in free time. So we say التصوير. بحب التصوير. Okay? Painting. الرسم. Okay? الرسم. Writing stories or writing a blog. We don't say writing something. We just say writing. So we say بحب الكتابة. الكتابة literally meaning writing. Okay. If you would like to be more specific here, you can say بحب كتابة القصص story. So on. What about you? What kind of free time and activities do you prefer? Next time you are going to know how to make your speaking natural and interesting by adding details about your free time and hobbies. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and مع السلامة.